Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tank bolt kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical components in ensuring a sturdy and leak-free toilet. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of toilet tank bolt replacement kits, exploring what makes a great kit, how to choose the right one for your specific toilet model, and most importantly, a step-by-step guide on how to replace those old, corroded bolts to prevent future leaks and ensure your toilet remains stable and functional for years to come. We will also look at different types of kits and their features, helping you make an informed decision when choosing a replacement kit. Number 5. Fluidmaster 6102 Kit. This kit ensures a watertight seal between your toilet tank and bowl. It's designed for a reliable and long-lasting repair. The included gasket fits most toilets, regardless of whether you have round or hex-shaped flush valve nuts. It's designed for a universal fit. It features a durable sponge rubber gasket for a superior seal. This will prevent leaks and keep your toilet running smoothly. These are made of durable solid brass, providing strength and resistance to corrosion. They'll stand up to the test of time. This kit is designed for easy installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. You can quickly fix toilet leaks and restore its functionality. It provides a reliable solution for fixing leaks and ensuring a proper seal between your toilet tank and bowl. Say goodbye to annoying toilet leaks. What we like. It boasts a universal gasket suitable for most toilets. The durable brass construction ensures longevity. If you need a reliable and widely compatible replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The gasket fits securely, and the brass bolts feel durable and reliable. It's a universal solution, making it easy to install on most toilets without fuss. Always use either 100% brass or stainless steel tank bolts. Never use the cheap steel ones that are disguised as brass. To maintain and refresh most standard toilets. The included hardware is similar quality to the factory. Number 4. Hibbent Toilet Tank Bolt Kits. It features an extra long nut for easy installation and acts as a locking nut to prevent shifting. This makes securing your toilet tank a breeze. Large rubber grommets on both the top and bottom create a secure and watertight seal between the tank and bowl, preventing leaks. They're made from solid brass for lasting durability and come with high-quality rubber gaskets for a superior seal. These bolts, screws, and gaskets are exactly what you need to install and secure your toilet quickly and easily. Before ordering, please measure your toilet to ensure these bolts are the right size for your needs. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect fit. This kit comes with 2 sets of bolts, providing everything you need for a complete and secure toilet installation. What we like. Its extra long nut makes installation a breeze, even in tight spaces. The double gaskets provide a superior seal. If you value ease of installation and a secure fit, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Conical shape of rubber seals that go inside the tank and seal the hole through which the bolt is inserted. Advantage, no leaks, made of brass. Advantage, no rust, lock nut is very long and can therefore be easily held by a hex socket or even by hand. Advantage, easy installation. The beveled washers make the bolts work the first time. Stopped my leak in 5 minutes of work and has continued to work. These bolts really are heavy duty. I've had these installed now for about a year and they show no sign of leaking or corrosion. Number 3. Fluidmaster 6106 Kit. This kit ensures a secure and leak-proof connection between your toilet tank and bowl. It's a simple solution for common toilet problems. It comes with everything you need for a complete repair, 3 new bolts and a durable gasket. Say goodbye to those annoying leaks. This kit is designed for easy installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. You'll have your toilet fixed in no time. It's made with high-quality, durable materials built to last. You can trust it to provide a long-lasting, reliable seal. This kit contains all the necessary components for a complete repair. No more searching for individual parts. It's the perfect solution for fixing a leaky toilet. Get yours today and enjoy a worry-free bathroom experience. What we like. This kit includes 3 bolts and a gasket for a complete replacement. It's known for its reliability and durability. If you prefer a complete and dependable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The Gasket created a solid, leak-proof seal, and the installation was incredibly straightforward, even for someone without much plumbing experience. It's made from durable materials that feel like they'll hold up well over time, and I noticed a big improvement in preventing any odor or leaks around the base. It completely sealed the bottom of the tank and kept it stable and level. This one fit, just barely, but it has worked since eBay installed it with 0 leaks. Number 2. Universal Toilet Tank Gasket Kit. This kit includes everything you need to repair your toilet's tank-to-bowl connection, including gaskets and bolts. It comes with extra washers and nuts for a complete repair. No need to worry about incorrect sizing. This kit contains gaskets for both 2-inch and 3-inch flush valve openings, ensuring a perfect fit for most toilets. These long-lasting, stainless steel bolts are 3.15 inches long and 5/16 in diameter for superior durability and resistance to rust. They're designed for easy installation. The gasket is made from a long-lasting sponge rubber, providing a perfect seal to prevent leaks. It's built to last. This kit features a quick installation design, making repairs simple. Even if you're not a plumber, you can easily fix that leaky tank. What we like. Made from stainless steel, it's completely rust-proof, even with long-term water exposure. It also fits most 2-inch and 3-inch flush valve openings. If you prioritize durability and a universal fit, this kit is ideal. What people say. Had old gasket leaking due to age. Bought one at Lowe's and it still leaked and didn't seem to fit over the end of the flush valve very well. I ordered this and it fit great. Installed and haven't had any leaks. It is thick and you will have to push down and slowly tighten the bolts on either side. But works perfectly so far. And the bolts come with rubber washers for inside and outside of tank. One from Lowe's did not, it only had a metal washer for outside of tank. This universal toilet tank kit had everything I needed to fix a challenging toilet tank design. As a homeowner, this looks to have everything needed to fix a leaky toilet tank of many configurations. The included hardware and components seems to be of good enough quality to last for a while. So 3 gaskets later finally found one thick enough to replace the gasket on my Gerber toilet. All these so-called standard gaskets are too small in circumference or not thick enough to provide a tight seal. This 2-in is thicker and wider and finally did the trick. Number 1. Toilet Tank Bolt Kit. Tired of leaky toilets? This kit provides everything you need for a secure and lasting repair. It's designed for quick and easy installation, even in tight spaces. It's built to last with stainless steel and brass-bladed components. The rubber washers ensure a watertight seal, preventing leaks and extending the life of your toilet. The extra long nuts make installation a breeze. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-access areas. This kit includes everything you need: bolts, nuts, washers, and even extra long lock nuts. It's designed to be a complete solution for your toilet repair needs. Each bolt is 70 mm long with a 5/16 thread diameter. The long nuts measure 50 mm. Everything is precisely sized for a perfect fit. You get 4 bolts, 4 nuts, 4 extra long lock nuts, 8 rubber washers, and 8 brass washers. Everything you need for a professional-looking repair. What we like. The stainless steel and brass-bladed construction ensures lasting durability. The included extra long nut make installation quick and easy. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-install solution, choose this kit. What people say. Installation was very easy. I found in the past that the wing nut are not quite as reliable. If you happen to sit and occasionally hit your back against the tank, they will work loose. The style of nuts used on the underside are easy enough to finger tighten. The materials themselves are made of high-quality stainless steel and brass. This material combo should help to eliminate the rusting of the bolt heads inside the toilet tank in the future. Installation was made especially easy because of the long, extended nuts that hold the tank to the toilet. This is a solid set of bolts that fills the holes on the tank and doesn't leak. Easy to install and no leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.